That's a good question. Not directly, I guess, because so once I finished, I thought about what career or what job I might want, but in the end, I went down the self-employment route. That was just what suited me. And so it has benefited me massively because obviously, so I'm in the education industry. When parents want a tutor for their child, having a degree there obviously puts you at an advantage because you're teaching academically. And then in terms of my business and my company, it just gives me that extra accreditation basically because, I've got the academic credentials for what I'm doing, which is all in education.
And what is life like after university?
So for me, once I finished, I stayed at home. So I moved back home with my mum for a little while. Well, actually for like 6 years, just to, save money. And I did my private tuition. I set up the business. And then after that, I moved out, got engaged, got 2 dogs. This is like great after uni life. But no, I focused a lot on just trying to grow and learn and grow the business and enjoy myself. For me personally, the 9 to 5 was never for me. I wasn't attracted to it. I wanted to have the flexibility to do what I wanted and be my own boss. And that was it for me.
And what advice would you give to students about to finish university, about taking the step from studying at university into adult life?
I think university it's a massive bridge anyway. So, it's not like you finish and there's suddenly like this whole new life out there that's going to be completely different, It's a slow process and it's just a gradual thing that you'll get into. And you really started that when you're at uni, if you're living at the actual university, then, you're already independent, cooking for yourself if you didn't when you were at home, and living by yourself and learning about the responsibilities of bills and all of that. So it's not a massive jump, but